about him. And then we were like, what kind of dog was it that was made to like breed, that was a breed, sorry, to like have foxes? Couldn't think about it. He just, and I was like, oh, he's a fucking foxhound. No, full of foxhounds. Yeah, and I was like,
Bloodhounds look so confusing.
but foxhounds just look like skinnier beagles.
Are they bigger, but
Yeah. They're got longer legs. Oh,